Hey guys, welcome to Cymru Under the Hood, and we're back here with this 1935 Ford Sedan. You might have seen this in my earlier video. I'll put a link above on about getting this thing going and running. Customer asked me to bring it up to the shop, get it up in the air, and kind of just give it a little look over and take it for a test drive. So I thought I'd share the update with you.
Okay, so we're going to get into this. It's 1935 Ford. You might have seen this in one of my other videos where we got this thing running again after it being sitting for a couple of years. Brought it up here today under the customer's request. Wanted me to take it for a test drive and do a video and show you all how this thing runs, because it's got a big block in it and transmission automatic. I mean, it's pretty fun. I'll show you some videos of the underneath. Kind of give you an idea of what's going on under here. And we're just going to go and give it a good long test drive, so you guys can enjoy the test drive with me. He also gave me the book of the restoration too, so I can show you some of the pictures in the book there of the restoration that was done on it, because it was pretty extensive.
Friday night, chrome in the moon in a suit too tight. You were leaning by the county fair gate. One look at you, I was 10 minutes late. Had a red hot motor and a church of grin. Mama said, boy, you're in trouble again. You said, drive slow. I said, baby, no. Yeah, I said, stay my way.
Obviously, there's a couple of little things that probably need to be redone again on this. I mean, the interior needs some loving. It's been sitting wet too long. I've got it in the shop here with the heater blowing so we can kind of dry this thing out a little bit. But yeah, I think we're gonna go and drive it like a scalded cat. I think, maybe, we'll see. But
Well, let's go for a test drive. Just take it easy on this gravel road here. My daughter doesn't want me to get her in the camera today, so well, maybe we won't go for a ride here. It's a little gutless here, so let's see if I can liven this back up again. Oh. Yeah, it is dead.
oh yeah, we're back at the shop. The car wouldn't start. We ended up rolling it back to the shop. We got it running here again, but ultimately the car's running too lean, so did some extensive work on it. As you can see, we've got a new carburetor on here, a new fuel filter, actually got a new fuel pump, which I talk about a few times here, but I just wanted to give you a little insight of what happened up to that point.
And also changed the carburetor, because we did a rebuild on the Elderbrock, but it just wasn't happy. So I'll swap over to my other camera here, and we'll go for a quick ride in this thing. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can get up the road this time. Should do. New fuel pump, new carburetor, fuel lines cleaned out, fuel filter. Also put an extra fuel filter in there because there was some crud in the tank. But yeah, let's go for this first test drive. Give it a go. Oh yeah, that feels good. No buffering, no hesitation.
Dave was saying that she'll cruise down the freeway doing 70 no problem. He said faster, but I'm not saying that. But he said 80, but whatever. 70 miles an hour, he says it cruises, and I can well believe it. So far the brakes are so nice. Got those disc conversion on the front, so that is nice. Alright, here we go. I think my camera turned off, but it's the first test drive. So far so good. Brakes feel good. And then show you the turning radius. I just did that. I don't know if I caught it on camera a minute ago, but turning radius is freaking phenomenal. It drives lovely. Brakes are great. Shifts great. Yeah. Hit me up in the comments. What do you think, guys?
Okay, so we just got back from that drive then. Just kind of give you an overview of it now. I'll give it a bit of a clean up because it's been in here for a while. You've probably seen it in the back of some of my other videos. You know, it was pretty dusty from being in the shop, but my impression of that first test drive is this thing drives, like I said in the video multiple times, it drives really nice. I am really surprised considering it being sitting for a couple of years. Now I've got those teething things out of the way. She really does drive lovely. I mean, I might have to try and see if Dave wants me to drive this in the 4th of July parade here. That would be pretty fun. So, well, thanks for coming on this ride. I will try and add a little bit more to this video if I haven't already. But please drop me some comments down below. Hit the like button, hit the notify button so you get the notifications when I post new videos. And please subscribe, it really helps. And we'll see you on the next one. Later!